Welcome to JSA TV, where we're covering the latest news, trends, and innovations from thought leaders like this guy to my right from within the digital infrastructure industry. I am Dean Perrine, coming to you live. That's right, Lewis. We are live at PTC 2026 in beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii. And again, this guy to my right is Mr. Louis Liu. Liu, did I get that right?
Liu, yep,
okay,
you got it.
Okay, excellent. Senior Sustainability Project Engineer at Rehlko. Lewis, welcome to JSA TV.
Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor.
Yeah, I'm honored to have you here. Viewers, this guy deserves a congratulations really quickly. Although we don't know who the final winner is, Lewis is on the short list for the PTC Awards for the Young Leader category specific to sustainability initiatives. Lewis, amazing work, man.
Thank you so much, Dean. And also shout out to the team at PTC for the great honor and recognition for just even being a finalist. It's really a privilege. Really enjoy. This is my very first PTC. I've enjoyed every bit of it so far. Yeah.
And I'm already enjoying the conversation with you, Lewis.
Likewise.
Let's talk a little bit about that award a little bit more, specifically around your work on sustainability and the initiatives at Rehlko. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, for sure. So I've been with Rehlko, previously Coal Energy, for 3.5 years. And really a big part of what I do is really being a facilitator, to bring together cross-functional subject matter experts and trying to figure out how can we integrate sustainability element into their day-to-day function. So one of the key things that I've done is establish our very first sustainability task force within the power system. So I brought together over 25 subject matter experts across 10 different departments, from engineering, marketing to manufacturing, to talk about what is our common goal, what is the roadmap and playbook that we should develop, what is our climate target, and how do we meet that target. Rehlko just announced our very first climate ambition to achieve a 90% scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas reduction by 2045.
Awesome.
Now the next is trying to figure out how do we actually come up with a short-term, medium, and long-term climate target to actually step-by-step working towards it. In addition to the Sustainability Task Force, I also built a sustainability community. So I kind of provide a bi-monthly webinar to educate and upskill broader, anybody within our company wanting to learn about what do we do on sustainability, what is the industry trend on sustainability, to really upskill the broader knowledge. And we have grown that from maybe 10 people to over 100 individuals within just the power system division to drive that culture of sustainability within our company.
So, Lewis, it is no longer a secret why you made that short list. That is absolutely fantastic, man. That is really, really great. And folks, JSAers at home, Greener Data author, this guy right here. Climate Accord, iMasons, big in the sustainability messaging, beating that drum. Your involvement with iMasons.
Yeah, so I've been volunteering, working with iMasons Climate Accord, specifically on the equipment working group over the last 2 to 3 years. And more recently, I took on a role as a chair for the equipment working group. And the mission for Climate Accord is really trying to drive that embodied carbon measurement and reduction of the digital infrastructure industry. What that means is trying to understand what is the life cycle impact of putting all these materials and equipment into a data center space, and what can we do to reduce that? You probably have heard the term scope 3 emission a lot. It's the elephant in the room, right? Over 99% of the total greenhouse gas for a lot of data center owner operators are falling within that value chain, the supply chain. And it's a big challenge to figure out what is that, if you think of it like a nutrition label of the food, right? What is the environmental impact in a snapshot of all the different materials and equipment? So as the chair of equipment working group, I've been facilitating, collaborating with industry, stakeholders to come up with a number of different case studies to demonstrate different methodology to measure that footprint. So we have published a case study on life cycle assessment, environmental product declaration, which is kind of like the industry gold standard to measure the footprint. We have published case study on TM65, which is an embodied measurement tool from SIPC, economic input-output model, and then a comparison study, maturity model through iMasons Climate Accord, and very soon coming up, we're going to publish published another guide for owner operator on how to engage equipment suppliers on the decarbonization in terms of embodied carbon, circularity, and operational efficiency. So all of that is to say this is a great platform through iMason Climate Core to be able to collaborate with different peers, even sometimes your competitors, working on the common challenge to decarbonize the supply chain of the digital infrastructure.
Yeah, the common challenge, the common good. You know,
absolutely.
I love it. I love it. Rehlko is lucky to have you. Let's talk about what excites you most about the new year. What are you seeing? Let's start there. What are you seeing, and what do you hope to see?
We have done a lot of work, kind of combining what we just talked about, the effort that we've done at Rehlko publishing our market first environmental product regulation for our mission critical generator, as well as pushing that towards the industry as well. But we have done a lot of work in measurement. Now it's time to move towards reduction. So I see 2026 as an opportunity to moving from embodied carbon measurement to reduction in terms of leveraging what's already out there, leveraging the APD that are already done, and highlighting the hotspot and driving product innovation, which we are doing and also writing in the Greener Data book as well, is we not only trying to understand the environmental footprint of our product, but we have come up with a suite of sustainability solution to reduce the footprint, from creating a conscious care maintenance program to reduce your testing emissions, to looking at low carbon coolant, refrigerant, and then innovating in our product. And also we are actually deploying our 1 megawatt hydrogen fuel cell project for Toyota at their headquarters in LA coming up this year as well. So all of these are our continuing effort to drive embodied carbon reduction and life cycle footprint reduction of the equipment going into this space. And similarly, collaborating through iMason Climate Core, we're going to build out a roadmap for 2026, 2027 on what we're going to working on. And there's actually going to be a webinar through iMason Climate Core on February 25th, open to broader public members to learn about what do we do through the iMason Climate Core and the continuing collaboration in the industry on the sustainability space.
I love it. How's the show going for you? Things are good?
The show is going well. There's so many awesome people coming from around the world. I think last number I heard over 7,000 participants.
I'm seeing a lot of numbers, but they're all big.
Right? From over 70 countries. And it's a little overwhelming, but also it's just very inspiring. You never know who you're going to run to, what kind of conversation you're going to have. And I've been enjoying every moment of it.
Yeah, no, so same. You know, we had that conversation prior to the camera getting turned on. But it can be a little overwhelming. It's an exhausting experience, but it's also like super motivating, inspiring, and I have been inspired by the words that we had in the short time that we had together. Congratulations, good luck to you. I'm pulling for the win. Thank you for being here.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much, Janine. Thank you so much to JSA TV.
Thank you, and thank you, viewers, for watching JSA TV. We'll see you real soon.